I am excited to show you all the amazing features of our panel, which can simplify the WhatsApp broadcasting needs for your business. Dashboard provided by MyOperator is compatible with both laptops and mobile. So you can use your WhatsApp Business API account on the phone as well. Click on the live chat from the left menu. Live chat page is the one-stop destination to respond to all WhatsApp chats. The chats are organized in 3 sections: active, requested, and intervened chats. Active. All the chats that have been done by the WhatsApp chatbot come under active chats in the MyOperator platform. The chats here mean they don't require any human agent intervention, as they are perfectly handled by the chatbot itself. Requesting. Whenever there is a query that the chatbot isn't able to solve, or if they want to speak to a human agent, the chat goes from active chats to requesting chats. All the chats in this section basically mean they are waiting and need human agent intervention to get their unresolved query solved. Intervened. Once the requesting chats are intervened, they go from requesting column to intervened column. Here, the chatbot is no more active, and it has become a pure live chat system. The agents can reply to the user's query, and once they are done, they just need to click on the Resolve button on the top to transfer the chat again to the chatbot. Click on the chat profile name to check the chat profile. The chat profile contains all the parameters of the user interaction with the business. Also, it maps all the events triggered by the business to qualify the user according to their interests, which are used for sending personalized and targeted campaigns to the users in future. The chat profile includes basic parameters, campaigns, attributes, tags, and customer journey. There are various parameters in the user profile for individual user details. Status. Active, requesting, intervened, and closed are the 4 different user status. Active. If the user is in the active section, the status is active. This means the chat is handled by the WhatsApp chatbot. Requesting. If the user needs an agent intervention, the status changes to requesting. All the chats in the requesting section would have requesting as their status. Intervened. The status changes to intervened once the chat is intervened by the agent. Closed. Once the query is resolved, after intervening in the chat and the agent clicks on the Resolve button, the status changes to closed and the chat is again transferred back to the chatbot. Last active. This shows the date and time of the last message sent by the user to the business. For example, 41420 to 11:38 am. Template messages. This shows the number of template messages sent to the user by the business. Session messages. This shows the number of session messages exchanged between the user and the business. Unresolved queries. This shows the number of queries for which requesting intervention got triggered. Basically, it shows the count of all those queries that the chatbot wasn't able to solve and requested the agent intervention. Source. It shows where the user came in the MyOperator platform. Organic. If the user initiates the message with the business on WhatsApp, the source is assigned as organic. API. If the chat is initiated via an API campaign with the user, the source assigned is API. Customized. You can import the data to the MyOperator platform in CSV format. While uploading it, the source can be customized to anything. First message. In this parameter, the first message tag will be assigned to the user according to the predefined message sent by the user. For example, there will be a different predefined message for different product or service pages, and different ads within different ad sets. Now click on History from the left menu to access the History tab. You can now initiate a chat with users directly from the History page. Whether it's a text template, image, audio or video file, you can initiate a conversation individually from the history page easily. Since these users are out of the 24-hour conversation window, you have to send a WhatsApp template message to initiate a conversation. You don't need to go to the length of creating WhatsApp broadcast for single contacts. Just go to the history page and send a WhatsApp template to initiate a conversation. Now click on Contacts to access the contact page. Platform gives you an option to import the lead data of the users that you have generated till now through various sources such as ads, organic lead generation, etc., which are not on WhatsApp. Now click on Campaign to access the section. WhatsApp campaign or broadcast can be launched either from the Contacts page or from the Campaigns page. To launch a WhatsApp broadcast from Campaigns page, click on the Launch button on the top right corner of the page. Select the broadcast type Campaign and start configuring the steps to launch a WhatsApp broadcast. Write the campaign name. Select the message type now. It may be pre-approved template message or regular message. Pre-approved template messages are the different message templates that you got approved from WhatsApp according to different use cases. This includes images, text, videos, PDFs, CTAs, and quick replies. These messages can be sent to both active users, who are in the 24 hours window, and inactive users. Regular messages are the messages that can be framed then and there according to the situation or event. This includes text, images, videos, and PDFs. These messages can be sent to only active users who are in the 24 hours window. In WhatsApp API campaign, you choose a fixed pre-approved template message for a particular event that is being triggered by the user. Now, every time users trigger the event, they receive that particular template message automatically through APIs. For example, abandoned cart message for e-commerce stores, payment confirmation message for every successful payment, etc. In WhatsApp broadcast campaign, you have the liberty to choose a message type from pre-approved template message and regular message. Let's suppose you choose a template message. Now, you configure the dynamic values of the template message, choose the audience you want to send the message to and shoot the campaign. Hence, this is done manually and not through APIs. For example, event reminder message to all the participants, offer message to all the active users through a regular message, etc. Here, we have already chosen pre-approved template messages. Click Next to continue. Now select the attribute. Select Intervented. Now select Attribute Value. Select Yes here. Now click on Apply. Now click on Next to proceed. Select the template from here. These templates are available. Let's select App Status. Click here to add the parameter. Let's select Name. If the name is not defined, you need to call the person as Dear. So, you need to type Dear in the fallback. Click Next to continue. Click on Send Now to send the message. To schedule the messages, you can toggle on the button. Click on the Manage to access Manage section. So after 24 hours, you can only send specific messages that have already been approved by WhatsApp. It takes 15 minutes 4 hours to have these messages approved. All the outbound messages that are sent using any of the pre-approved message templates are known as template messages. These messages are sent once the 24-hour window is closed and you wish to initiate a conversation with the user. Also, you can use these WhatsApp message templates to send transactional messages, delivery alerts, appointment reminders, etc. to users who have opted in to receive messages from you. You can initiate a conversation with users on WhatsApp using these template messages. These users should have given you permission to receive messages on WhatsApp. Facebook doesn't charge for WhatsApp template or session messages. Facebook now charges for conversations happening in a 24-hour duration. WhatsApp Conversation is a 24-hour messaging window initiated only when a business messages a user. Businesses and users can exchange any number of messages, including template messages, within a 24-hour conversation session without incurring additional charges. User-initiated conversations (UIC) is whenever a business replies to a user within the 24-hour customer service window, that message initiates a user-initiated conversation. Business-initiated conversations (BIC) is a conversation that initiates from a business, sending a user a message outside the 24-hour customer service window. Messages that initiate a business-initiated conversation will require a template. Charges for conversations vary depending on the user's country code. Click on New to create a new template message. Click on the template category and select. Select Transactional for example. Now select Template Language. Now select English. Enter the template name in the appropriate box. Now select Template Type. Select Text. Enter the header text here. Now enter the main message. Enter the first attribute name here. Enter the second attribute days here. Enter the footer note here. Now click on Submit. Click on Template Message to check the new entry. Click on Approved Message to check. Here you can see the message has been approved quickly. Click on Opt-in Message to access the section. You can configure opt-out keywords such as stop, don't message, etc. and use them in the footer for templates. It helps to sort opt-out clients and manage the WhatsApp getting blocked and avoid sending messages to user who doesn't want to receive message. To add more opt-in message, click on Add More. Enter the keyword here. Now save the settings. Click on Live Chat Settings to access the section. This option helps configuring the welcome messages or off-hours messages. They get initiated as client sends message to the WhatsApp number for the first time or out of hours when there is no one to respond to the conversation. To configure any welcome message, click on Configure. You can choose from pre-approved template message or enter any regular message. Your regular message has already been selected, and a default message is already in the text box. You can edit the message or let the message as it is. We are going to save this default message. Click on Save Configuration to save this welcome message. You can also offer message in same way. Toggle the switch just beside the offer message to activate or deactivate this service. You can also configure day-wise working hours for automated replies. Toggle the first switch to activate the replies on Monday. You can configure it for rest of the days as well. You can also configure day-wise working hours for automated replies. Toggle the first switch to activate the replies on Monday. You can configure it for rest of the days as well. Click on User Attribute to access the section. The attributes are considered as the qualifying parameters of the users, based on which you can easily categorize a particular set of users. For example, name, email, tags, country, and many more. Here is an example. Let's say you wish to send a broadcast to new leads. While adding the leads to MyOperator, you assign a tag named lead to all the contacts. Upload the contacts to MyOperator. Here, the tag lead is a defining attribute using which you can filter a set of users while broadcasting. These attributes can vary well by collected by a WhatsApp chatbot. Click on Add More Attributes button to add more. Click on the first attribute space to add the name of the attribute like email. Now save the attributes. Click on Can Messages to access the section. As an agent, there are many general queries to which you have to copy-paste the same answer repeatedly. For example, product pricing, product description, welcome message, and more. Now, you won't need to do that. Instead, you can save your responses through Can messages and push them to your users in a single click from the live chat box. Can messages are responses that you can preset and use in your chat repeatedly by using a slash in the live chat box. Click on Create to create a new one. Click on the name area to add Can message name. Select the message type. Now you can add the text in the text area. There is a message preview and you can save now. Now access the Agents section by clicking on Agents. Owners and managers now have access to easily take over chat access from an agent, transfer chats from one agent to another, and monitor the chat quality with the latest agent assignment feature. Now click on Add Agent to add new agents. Now fill up this form. After filling up the form, click on Create. Click to filter the agents. Now select Attribute. Let's select Tags as attribute. Now select Attribute Value. Since we have not created any tags, so here options are not showing. Close this window and let's go to Tags section. Click on Tags to access the section. You can see there are no tags here. So, click on Create to create a new tag. Add the tag name first. Now create new category or add existing one. Toggle the switch to enable to track this tag in your customer's journey. Toggle the switch to allow auto-tagging if user's first message matches. Now enter the first message here. Click on Submit. Now you can go back to Go Agents. Click on Filter now. Click on the drop-down and select Tags as attribute. Now select the attribute value. You can now see the value as sales. Earlier it was not there and showed us no option. But after adding the tags, now it is showing us the tags. Now apply the filter. You can see in the top that the filter has been applied successfully. Now go to Analytics. You can see various chat analytics over here. You can select the duration by selecting the criteria from the top. You can select any of them. Let's select 7 days here to see the agent's analytics. Now select analytics for the specific agents or for a department. Let's select MyOperator Sales. Now click on API keys to access the section. An application programming interface key is a unique identifier used to authenticate and authorize a user, developer, or calling program to an API. However, they are typically used to authenticate and authorize a project with the API rather than a human user. Click on the Copy button to copy the API key to enter in some other application to integrate.